Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good afternoon to all my little cutie fellows. So I'm here again with a new and exciting video for you all. This video will help you in knowing about the oval shape. Okay, so let's come with me, have a look on oval shape and the things that are in oval shape. Okay kids, see what is on your screen. It's an oval shape. What shape is this? It's an oval shape. So come, let's trace it with me with your two fingers pointing them on the top. Go with the boundary. Trace the shape. It's oval. Oval has no side. Oval has no corner. See here we have an example of oval. It's an egg. What is this? It is egg. So for knowing the shape of oval, we have to trace the egg. Start from the top. Go with the boundary. Egg has no side and egg has no corner. So egg is in oval shape. Okay kids, now see what is on your screen now. It's olive. Olive is a fruit. So for knowing the shape of olive, we have to trace it. Start from the top. Go with the boundary. Olive has no side. Olive has no corner. Olive is in oval shape. Okay kids, see now we have a baseball on our screen. What is this? It's a baseball. And for knowing the shape of baseball, we have to trace the baseball. So let's come trace the baseball with me. Pointing two fingers on the top and follow the boundary. Baseball has no side and baseball has no corner. So baseball is also in oval shape. Okay kids, now we have lemon on our screen. So for knowing the shape of lemon, we have to trace the lemon. So come, let's trace with me. Lemon has no side and has no corner. So lemon is also in oval shape. Okay kids, let's see what is on your screen now. It's a mirror. What is this? It's a mirror. So for knowing the shape of mirror, we have to, yes, we have to trace it. Trace it with your two fingers and go with the boundary. Mirror has no side and mirror has no corner. So mirror is in oval shape. Okay kids, go and get your this maths picture book. Open page number 14 of your maths book. See what is here. We just learnt this shape. What is the name of this shape? Yes, it's an oval. It's an oval. So let's come trace it. Oval has no side. Oval has no corner. Here are some examples of the things that are from our environment and in oval shape. So the first is egg. So let's come trace the egg to get know about its shape. Egg has no side and egg has no corner. So egg is oval in shape. Next picture is balloon. It's a balloon. So let's come and trace the picture of balloon. Balloon has no side. Balloon has no corner. So balloon is in oval shape. Here comes third picture. It's a watermelon. Come, let's trace watermelon with me. Watermelon has no side and it has no corner. Means watermelon is also in oval shape.
Hey kids, so now I'm going to tell you the copy work of oval shape. So just open your copy and on page number 36 you will find an activity related to oval. First you have to trace this oval with a crayon. Trace it and then color it. And then after that you will see an oval outline and the outline of an egg. So, how can you find this egg? You have to paste the sticker of an egg. So, on the back side of your copy, you will find out few stickers. So, what you have to do, you have to take out the sticker of egg from here and paste it on page number 36 here. So, this is the activity related to oval.
Okay kids, that's all about the today's video. We learned in this video about the oval shape, its features, and also we did the copy work. Now I'm going to give you another interesting task, and the task is that you have to find out any of two objects that are in oval shape from your house. You all have to make a video of given task in a mean that you carry an object that is in oval shape. Say the name of that object, trace the shape of that object, and tell me that what is the shape of that object. Means you bring an egg and say it is an egg. Then trace the shape of egg and say the egg is in oval shape. Try to say the full sentences. So from now I am looking for your videos. Do the given task, make your videos and send it to your respective teachers. Thank you for watching. Take good care of yourself. Bye everyone.